Hey guys, Quinn and I are back today with another fun hairstyle. Quinn, what are we doing today?
A 2-strand pull-through ponytail.
A 2-strand pull-through ponytail. This is a great style. It holds really well for sports or any kind of activity. I think you're really going to like it, so let's get started. Begin by placing the hair into a ponytail. Then, wrap the elastic with a small section of hair using a Topsy Tail Tool. To begin the braid, divide the ponytail into equal top and bottom sections. Next, place an elastic approximately 3 inches down on the top section. Then reach through the middle of the top section, grab the bottom section, and pull it through. Repeat by placing another elastic approximately 3 inches down on the top section. Then reach through the middle of that section, grab the bottom section, and pull it through. Continue repeating this pattern down the braid. When finished, pull or pancake the braid wider by pulling each section outward. And that's it, you're all done.